improv. I want to make the chords in the left hand not as thick. So instead of using a one chord, I'm leaving out the middle note. So I'm getting this sound for the one chord. In place of the four chord, I'm leaving out the upper note. So I'm only using these two notes. And in place of this sound, I'm leaving out the G. I could also leave out the F, but I like the F more. I could also do this, but I think this sounds better. So here's what I'd like you to improvise over. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, third line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. In the melody, I'd like to use this choice of notes: C, E flat, F, F sharp, G. You can also add the lower B flat, which is our dark jazz scale, dark blues scale. Here's where I put the B flat on top, or I could take the B flat and put it below. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is really the best sound, I'm thinking just a single G by itself. So let me do that last line again. How about no? So you can play around with that 5/7 chord. Find the one that works best for you. You may want to stick with this. You may need all three. All right, so I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after experimenting, I like that full 5/7 at that point. So fool around this week on the second phrase line, which is going to be a 4 chord. Notice I keep coming towards the F. Staying away from this sound except when I go to it. And of course, you're going to write down your ideas.